we need to install the printer in one PC. Next step, we need to turn on network discovery and file and print sharing on all PCs. So on the main PC on which the printer is installed, go to control panel and then look for network and sharing center and then change advanced sharing settings. Right, so in the private network, this one here, the network discovery is currently turned off. Also, the file and printer sharing are turned on by default. So we're gonna just turn this on and then save settings. We will do the same thing in the other PC. Go to control panel. Look for network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. And it is already turned on here. I just turn on the file and printer sharing. It's on the private network. Well, let's save these changes. Now we may also turn off the Windows firewall. It may block the some connections between the computers. So from control panel, look for Windows firewall. So right here. We can also add exceptions. We can keep the firewall on and add exceptions for printer sharing services. But for the private network, let's just turn it off now. On the private network, turn off. Hit OK. I'm gonna do the same thing in the other PC. So control panel, Windows Defender Firewall, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. In the private network settings, turn it off and then click OK. All right. So now let's test the connectivity between two PCs. If I check what's my IP address here, ipconfig, I am at 10.10.80.5, and the other PC should be in the same network since both of them are in the same local network. CMD ipconfig. I am in the 10.10.80.11. Okay, so let's ping this the other machine from this machine. Ping 10.10.80.5. I got an answer. Go. Let's ping from the other machine to this machine. Just reduce this. This is the main machine on which the printer is installed. So ping 10.10.80.11. Alright, so both machines talking together. Alright, so now we're gonna share the printer from the main PC on which it was installed through USB. So go to control panel, device and printer. The printer is right here with USB. Right click on it, go to printer property, Then go to sharing tab and click on this, share this printer. It's gonna give it default name, just keep it as the same. And then you apply, you click OK. Now you go to the other PC and the control panel, go to device and printer, and then here you need to add this shared printer. This is another one through the Wi-Fi because it has an IP address. So you can look for, you can click the printer that I want isn't listed, and then uh, here you need to select a shared printer, um, and then click browse. It will find it. Where was it installed? Installed in this PC. So select this PC. You need the username password to log on. And here you find it right here. Selected and click next. Click next. And then you can print the test page. There you go. It worked. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.